So while our dough is fermenting, I thought we'd go ahead and get our filling ready. I'm going to be using brown sugar, cinnamon, about 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is 100 grams. And 3 Heath bars. The Heath bars have chocolate, and then on the inside they have toffee. If you can get the bulk brickle bits, or if you have like almond roca or another type of chocolate covered toffee candy, you can use that as well. You can actually use any filling you'd like. This is just a fun filling. Takes a little effort here. If you have a food processor and you want to break it up into large chunks and then put it in your food processor, then that's fine too. But you don't want to get it too finely ground. If you put it in your food processor, you'll have to be careful not to pulse it too much and turn it into a puree. Now this is going to be put into the strands and rolled up, so we've got to have it somewhat fine. You can't have big sharp bits sticking through the roll. Very much like chopping nuts. Okay, that looks pretty nice. I'm going to show you a close-up of how that looks. So I'm also going to chop up the chocolate chips a little bit. They also have mini chips, mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. So if you can get the mini chocolate chips, then you don't have to chop them up. This would chop up really well in your food processor. Okay, that's pretty good. We do want some chocolate blobs melting inside our beautiful dessert challah, so we don't want it chopped up too fine. There's our chopped up chocolate chips and our chopped up Heath bar. So we'll set this aside until we're ready to assemble our dessert challah.